Volutic reviews. Is it a legit website to make money online in 2020, or is it a scam? Here I reveal a ugly hidden secret. Hello and welcome to the Action Taker channel. Here is Sebastian, journalist by day and side blogger by night. I am the CEO of So Your Set today, and my aim through this blog and this channel is to help 9-to-5 workers and students get out of the ordinary. So if you are a full-time worker or a student and you are looking for some legit way to make money online, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. In this way you will never miss my next video. In today's video, I want to share with you my honest point of view of the Volutic website. And throughout these reviews, I will delve deeper into the following point. I will show you what is Volutic about, how does it work, is it a legit website to make money in 2020? If it is a legit website, how much money can you make using this website? And also I will show you, if you find this website useful, I will show you how to get started. Here is the Volutic website. This is the home page. When you land in this website, it seems it is very easy to make money with this website. But here we will find out if really this website worth your time or not. So let's get started. What is exactly Volutic about? Volutic is a pay-to-read email provider. They offer get pay-to-read service to members. So to make money with this website, you just need to sign up and then to open your mailbox every day. They will send you some paid emails you can read and get paid. It sounds good, right? You know, get paid to read email service is not new in the make money online space. There are many websites out there on the web that offer this service, such as Inbox Dollars, ClickGenie. This is how these kind of websites work. Advertisers pay money to this kind of website and they send their ads to this platform. This platform in their turn send the ads they receive from their advertiser to their website user. And you who are looking to make money by reading emails, they will send these kind of emails to you, and you need to open this website in order to get paid. So this is beneficial for advertisers because some members may be interested to what they are promoting, and they can sign up. People like you who are looking for some ways to make money, such as reading some emails, also can get paid by reading these emails. And the platform, get to paid email reader service provider, they also make money by charging to this advertiser some amount of money. But the problem with this kind of website is that instead being honest with their member, some member make money on the back of their user. What I mean is that they refuse to pay their members. So there are many websites like this. When they started, they pay members, but as the time goes, they stop to pay and then being turned to a scam. That means this website is a scam? Absolutely not. This website is not a scam. Here is some payment proof I found in the web. As you can see, there are members that received their payment from this website. I found 4 payment proof on the Bare Money forums and 1 payment proof on the FoxRanting website. So actually, as I said, it is a website that walk their talk. I mean, they pay their members. Okay, perhaps this website is a legit website and you want to zip it to a tree. But let me answer a meaningful question here. Is this website worth your time? We will find out if really this website worth your time or not. How much money you can make with this website? This website pay members per email they read, and the amount of money you can make per email range from $0.0001 to $0.001. So if, for example, you make $0.001 per email, that means you need to read 100 emails to get $1. And the hic here is that the number of emails you receive per day can exceed 5 emails. So you can see how long it takes to make $1 with this website. Perhaps you don't trust me, but what you need to know is that the number of emails you can receive per day depends on the number of ads they receive from their advertiser. So it is up to you to evaluate what you get from them and to make a wise decision. But the great news is that Volutic website pay their member until 6 level deep. There are a referral program so you can make money by recruiting people. You get 100% for your first level, 90% for your second level, and 80% for your third level, and so on. So I have to say the best way to make money with this website is by recruiting people. This is the way you can make a lot of money with this website. And when I say a lot of money, don't expect making 50, 100 or $100 with this website. Okay, so let me ask you a question now. Is this website worth your time? Is making $1 per, for example, 100 email you read worth your time? If your answer is yes, so see below this video, and on the description section you will find the link of this website to sign up. But if you are like me and your time worth more than $1 per 100 emails you read, so make sure to check out my #1 program to sign up and build a sustainable online business now. How to get started? To get started is very easy because you can join this website free of charge. And as I said, on below this video on the description, and grab the link of this website to sign up if you find this website worth your time. I think this video helped you know more about this website. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your friend, and if you have a question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next time.